Hi everybody, here we go. We're going to just do a little practice sheet on vertex of a parabola and standard form of a circle. There's only 4 questions. I'm going to do numbers 1 and 3, and then you are going to finish up with numbers 2 and 4 on your own. So in your first question, we're going to take, this is a quadratic equation, it's a parabola. X squared is your highest exponent, so we're going to put it into vertex form by completing the square. So we're going to take x squared minus 12x. I'm going to leave room for your magic number. Because I'm going to add that magic number here, keep my 46, I'm going to subtract that same magic number. How do I get the magic number? Take your negative 12, divide by 2, which is negative 6, and square it to get your magic number of 36, which I'm going to add and subtract because they're all on the same side. So you're keeping it, pretty much adding 0 to that side. And now you made this become a perfect square trinomial. That's x minus 6 squared. And 46 minus 36 is 10. That gives us a vertex at 610. And it also tells us that our parabola is concave up, which means it looks something like this, meaning this has a minimum point. Okay? If you take a look down at number 3, similar, but it's not a parabola. Now we're looking at a circle. So again, you're going to keep the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. This one is interesting because x squared goes with negative 4x, and I'm going to leave room for my magic number, but y squared, there's nothing to go with it. I'm going to bring negative 14 over to the other side to make it a positive 14, and I'm only going to have to add one magic number. That magic number, when I take negative 4 and divide by 2, I get negative 2 squared, which is a positive 4. So this becomes x minus 2 squared. Keep my y squared. And on this side, I have 18. When I now find my center, it's at positive 2, 0, because nothing is happening to the y value. You're not adding or subtracting a number. And the radius... Your radius is the square root of 18, which is going to simplify into rad 9, rad, not 2, rad 3, not rad 3, rad 2. So it's going to become 3 radical 2. Okay, there it is. You guys are going to now try 2 and 4, and I'm going to post your answer.